moving like the speed of sound.
Oh shit, what's up with y'all? I ain't see my fans standing here. I ain't see all 5 of y'all standing here, you know? All the 5 views I'm getting and everything like that. Perfectly fine. Still, welcome to my 2nd episode of Street Builds. Sadly, the first plan I had, which was going to do a how-to, I do a brake line on a 2002 Ford Explorer. Sadly, that went down the drain because when I got there, he needed way more work than just a brake line. He needed calipers and rotors and like that. He didn't have the money for it, so I told him I couldn't do the job unless he got the caliper. But just because I couldn't shoot that does not mean the second episode is still not coming out. Trust me, it's still coming out. Instead of doing that, what I'm gonna do is tear this beauty down. It's going to be an amazing sight for you guys. It's going to be a beautiful thing. Taking apart the ZX2 Ford VCT engine. Just in case you don't know what VCT means, variable camshaft timing. Yeah. And don't forget to subscribe.
The time is now. On everything. Took my heart away from money. I ain't interested in fame. And I pray that never change. Ambition is priceless. It's something that's in your veins. And I put that on my name.
Only hope I had was selling dope. Was on my grind cause times was harder than to sell a float. My mama told me never steal and never telling folks. I grew up looking up the niggas that was selling coke. I was raised by the stop sign. No religion, I was getting saved by the Glock 9. By the minute I was getting paid like a hotline. Certain raw, things tall. We was .com, well connected, well respected and well protected. And give a second, was rejected, now they regret it. And give my message, wasn't signal when I was texting. The niggas I was calling was fraud, I learned my lesson. Now I move with aggression. Use my mind as a weapon, chances and never give it. They took it like interceptions. So blow that gas, I'll be the cornerback. Me and Baron, then G gon' bring that water back.
Easy to dream a dream, though it's harder than living. They gon' let me for my ambition. Easy to dream a dream, though it's harder than living. They gon' let me for my ambition.
Alright, now, but you know, all that hammer you see me doing, I know it's not the right way to take it off. But what happened was, one of the bolts as I was screwing it out, it was so old and beat up that, you see right here, it has broke off. So this was preventing me from getting the AC compressor off. If you look through all the other holes, there's no bolts in it. But this one has one in it and it was preventing me from taking it off, so I had to pretty much try to bend and break it, which I did.
They gon' love me for my ambition. Easy to dream a dream, though it's harder to live. They gon' love me for my ambition. Easy to dream a dream, though it's harder to live. Look, they gon' love me for my ambition. Beautiful music, painting pictures, it be my to my opposition. You niggas probably
let's have a bit of fun till I downfall. My love, if you feel like I do right now, don't say you're on the run to the other side, my love.
Alright, well now I'm packed away. Picked up all the parts for right now. Everything is organized. All the bolts and everything are with the right components it's supposed to be with. So I'll see you in about a couple of months when I'm ready to put everything back together.
But you never do. Sugar, there's a reason why we lose. You say you wanna cry, but you never do. Sugar, there's a reason why we lose.
Alright everybody, this is the end of episode 2. Hope y'all enjoyed what y'all seen. Like I said, I'm doing an engine tear down on this 2.0 dot ZX VCT engine. Basically what I want to do is I want to tear it down to the bare block, take it to a machine shop, get the heads port and polished, and also, you know, order some new pistons and everything like that, because I want to order some forged pistons because I have cast the pistons in here right now because it's a stock engine, because I want to toss a turbo on there, you know. And yeah, like I said, I hope you enjoy what you've seen and everything like that. Hope you keep coming back, you like, you share, and please, number one thing I need you to do, please hit that subscribe button. Thank you, have a good day.
Like a bullet train, moving like the speed of sound.